G'day everybody, thanks for tuning in. If this is your first time, thanks for joining me. This is Q, I'm Q, and we're going to take a ride to the west coast of the South Island, across the fabulous Lewis Pass, back over the Arthur's Pass, and going to a couple of dock camping grounds. I'm hoping it's going to be awesome. So how about you get on your seat and sit down, watch this little film, then you can get on your bike or come back again for the next installment of whatever might end up being. Cheers and thank you. Meet in Ravenswood and the rain begins to fall as we leave to head north. Ultimately we're heading to the coast as I see it, and the rain is a little bit of a disappointment, but it is what it is. There's some blue sky there, so we're pretty hopeful that the weather is not going to be too terrible, but it's not looking all that flash. Arriving into Culverden, damn, there's a lot of cars here. Guess all heading up towards Hamner, and a lot of classic cars and muscle cars and that sort of thing. Really cool to see them all out there, and the rain is still falling down. And we have been told once we got to Culverden that the road is closed and may not be open for quite a wee while yet. So we decided to seek out some shelter and just chill out until we found out what's going to happen. Now look, up the road it appears that there's been a fatal accident, so up that way towards Hamner there's no through to it until maybe 1 o'clock this afternoon. It's about 11 o'clock now, so we should get through alright.
Oh well, we bought snacks.
The cheese, this is probably the best cheese. Well, not the best cheese, apricot cheese is pretty good too, actually.
Want some beer? You alright? We're on the road there. After a pretty serious accident up the road. A lot of traffic. We'll get going.
Guess the road being closed for so many hours, you're going to have a big backlog of traffic, and once we got too close to where the accident scene was, that's what we found. The traffic was banked up, made for a slightly slower trip over to the coast, but given it's wet and rainy and stuff, it didn't really matter all that much. Didn't really know what we're going to face once we get across the Lewis Pass, because the weather was looking a little bit grim, but a beautiful ride all the same. No matter whether it's wet, dry, rainy and stuff, it don't matter too much.
Stopped again, must be some roadworks. But it looks like it's moving. Oh, yeah, and we're moving. Getting closer to the green light.
The magic truly is going over the Lewis Pass, dropping down into the wild, historically wet west coast to be greeted by blue sky, warm weather, and just an iconic beauty.
We're in the sun there.
Yeah, it's not a bad spot.
It's in the grass.
Yeah.
Down with the wind. Or we go have a look down a bit further.
Yeah, well, there's that, or yeah, we could have a look down further.
Yeah.
But that looks not too bad.
But that's not too bad. Let's take it down with the wind.
Yeah. It's good to take a little look around the site that you might camp at. How many times have you arrived at a place, camped at the first spot, and then taken a walk around to find that, damn, I should have camped here, and it's too late, and you've got everything unpacked. So always awesome just to take a wee bit of a ticket tour around, have a look, see if there's any places that are better than the first place that you see. Often you do go back to the first place.
What a fall off. Look at the fish making fall off.
Oh, good to get the earplugs out.
Hey. Oh, doesn't everybody use their hands? Oh, maybe it's just me.
Behind the white, yeah, it's doing alright. Behind me.
Yeah.
Because he passed all the other cars and the bloody petrol tank that was behind us.
Getting warm.
So here is we at Marble Hill.
Where's the marbles and where's the hill?
I'm not sure where the marbles are. I know that that fella over there has probably lost his marbles, but all the same, it's a good place to be. It's sunny compared to where we was at on the other side of the hill after the accident. Very unfortunate that these people had to experience such a thing. Feel for the families and the people that dealt with it. Tomorrow we're going to head from this place to where we're going tomorrow. We're going to go through from here to Reefton, likely down towards Blackbill, and then to Greymouth to Countdown to get some food, and then we'll head back through to Goldsborough. We will camp for the night with hopefully some other people will join us, so it should be all good. Through here, if you look through here, the main fault line for New Zealand or South Island is right over there, where you can see there's a concrete wall.
Perfect water for drinking.
Damn. And does it taste any good? Oh, we can only hope.
Beautiful.
So tonight, or this afternoon, the first beer of the afternoon is an Orion on Okinawa's Craft the Draft.
Spit it out, man.
Well, it's a bit of a tongue twister actually. It's a rich and refreshing taste and is widely loved as an Okinawan original. So it's a beer of Japan. Let's crack it open. Let's see what it sounds like to start with. That's a pretty good sound. And taste. For a can with 5% alcohol, it's actually very easy drinking and very light. Very good. Nice. Oh well, I guess it's probably very appropriate to go cheers.
Oh,
Jesus.
cheers.
Cheers.
Happy
Cheers. Cheers.
birthday.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yes, happy birthday to you too.
Cheers, man.
Yeah, cheers to the birthday. How old are you now? Well, we know you're old. Cheers.
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 Oh,
Yeah.
bloody hell, everyone getting on the act. Bloody hell. Settle down, people. So what's the flavour of these spring rolls?
Pork.
Pork. What? Chicken whiskey pate. Yeah, what is this one? 8.6 golden 10. Where's this one made then?
It's a shame the falls are so far away from here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite deceptive of the Maria name, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Maria. And then it's the springs, it's like, and the what? The falls are where? Yeah. They're not
Yeah, I
just
mean,
down the
you're
road.
almost at bloody Murchison by the time you get there.
Ah, so this beer is a Holland beer made in Holland.
All right.
What did you say it was?
Yeah, I said Russian.
Russian. By the tree. Oh, cheers to another beer.
Take your water filter with you.
Did you different?
So, toilets. This is it. It's a toilet block, running water in the forest. Nice outlook. So here we are, Marble Hill, just on the other side of Maruia Springs, on the western side of the Lewis Pass, and awesome ranges. And up that way is, I think, Lake Daniels, where you can go up there and you can stay in a hut or something like that. This technically is right in the path of the South Island fault line, where they built this concrete wall back in whenever. We'll see when we get to the measurement point, to measure when the fault line actually moves. And it has moved, but it hasn't actually ruptured, and it hasn't damaged this wall from the last time that we just came in and had a bit of a look.
I'm too old to run.
I think you're too old to balance.
And up there at the same time, 10 o'clock is
10.
10 o'clock is the
Yeah.
ideal time to come up here and do
Yeah.
that. Come up
So we need to hit the road by about 9:40.
9:40.
Damn.
Quick or go large.
Okay.
Well, we're not swimming in there.
I made it. My feet did go deep though. Not sure what this river is called. There's a bridge through the trees over there, and that must be the track that goes to Lake Daniels. Upstream we're heading to Maruia Springs, where there's hot water pools there, and Lewis Pass. So from the middle of the river it looks pretty damn nice. This is pretty awesome around here, eh? Look at that.
Up and under here we've got the, what the hell? God damn, that is my farm. That is some stuff I can do. Not that exciting. And then we've got some, what is that? Put-out steak, I think I said it was, with some sauteed, delicious, caramelised onions and some nice crispy skinned steak. It wasn't that delicious, it was delicious. Well, there we are, folks. We've got the, I think we've already see what's in here. We've got some stir-fry veg, we've got the onion, we've got the steak. It's going to be deliciously fine.
Yeah. Water.
So, howdy, folks. The last dinner has been done. Oh, you probably can't see a blimmin' thing.
What the hell is that all about?
Right there, mate.
There we go. We've got some, what is it, pork sausage?
Yep.
And some Korean rice.
And cashew.
Cashew nuts. Damn, that is a surefire, hot, damn, gut-filling dinner. There we've got the steak, we'll put a bit of cola off on there.
No sooner we arrive, we spend a night here looking at those bountiful stars. Now it's time to leave. So, unpacking all the, well, not unpacking, packing all the stuff back onto the machines and ready to ride off through to Reefton. Thanks for coming along on the journey with us. Hope you come back for the next one. Subscribe and then you'll know when I've posted the video film online. But hopefully it won't be too far away. Thanks again. Get out there on your machines and enjoy the roads. Soak up some of that natural beauty that we have around us, whether you're in the South Island, North Island or anywhere else on this beautiful world of which we live. Thank you. Until the next time. Take it easy.